We are living in the age of information. It has been written that software is eating the world. The world has become blanketed in a universe of data. In fact, in the next 6 months, human beings are going to be generating more data than all of human history up until that point. Try to fathom, try to contemplate, try to hold in mind the implications of the amount of data that we're generating. It's mind-boggling. The irony is that we're actually processing less than 1% of that data, which means that we're getting very little utility. We're not extracting any patterns. We're not getting any meaningful, actual, useful information from this deluge of data, from this ocean of data, from this universe of ones and zeros. It's not ironic that some have said if you don't have ADD today, you're not paying attention. What good is the capacity to generate so much data if we can't make sense of it? Now, some say, well, technology is advancing exponentially. We've all heard of Moore's Law, but it turns out that our hardware, even in spite of exponential progress, has not been able to keep up with the speed at which we're generating data. Now, this poses a problem because we can't rely on Moore's Law to get us there on time. We're drowning in information right now and we can't really do anything with it. But what if we could repurpose existing hardware to serve us better? What if we could reconfigure the way existing hardware is being utilized to process more information? What if we went from the age of big data to the age of fast data? So there is a revolution happening right before our eyes. Fast data has repurposed the GPU in your average computer. That's the graphics processing unit normally used for rendering world and video game environments, and making the GPU work in conjunction with the CPU, the central processing unit, together creating a 100,000-fold increase in information processing capacity. 100,000-fold increase in information processing capacity. Now, Arthur C. Clarke said, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. We're talking real-time meaning extraction from the ocean of data. We're talking information processing capacity that finally can render at the speed of thought. We're talking an ability to revolutionize artificial intelligence, to revolutionize biotechnology and genetics, to render artificial worlds. I mean, we are talking about finally a singularity in information processing capacity. This is what we're talking about. As I imagine, so it becomes. And this is the very essence of magic. Welcome to Fast